Okay, so see here, we will find out the distance between 2 points. The distance.
Sir, he now also didn't understand
That question. Okay, just look at the board now. Stop solving this question now. Just later, you can just try this again. So, just see the question. Find out the distance between 2 points. So, suppose there are 2 points, first point and second point. First point will be denoted as x1, y1. First point is what? x1, y1, and second point is x2, y2. These are the 2 points, first point and second point. First point and second point. Now we have to find out the distance between this. Distance between these 2 points. So distance is denoted by D. Distance will be denoted by D. So we have to find out the distance between this point and this point. So the formula is root x2 minus x1 whole square. X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What are we finding out? Distance. Distance between how many points? 2 points. Now let's see one question, most important question. Okay, so if you will have any confusion, then just clear that out first. So find out the distance between 2 points. If the question is, suppose the 2 points are, one point is 3 minus 1, second point is 5 and 2. So these are the 2 points. First point is what? 3 minus 1. Second point is 5 and 2. Between these 2 points, what we have to find out? Distance. The formula of distance is clear now. Root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Which one is x1? First one. First one is x1. From the second bracket, first one is x2. From the first bracket, second one is y1, and from the second bracket, second one is y2. This one is clear now? x1, x2, y1, y2. So in this question, like 3 minus 1 and 5, 2, just tell me what's the value of x1? x1, x2, y1, y2. So what's the value of x1 here? 3. So I mean, what's the value of x2?
Sir, x2 5.
Pritham, what's the value of y1?
So y1 minus 1.
This one is x, this one is x, second one is y, second one is y. So first one is y1, second one is y2. So y1 is equals to what?
Y1 is
minus 1. And y2 is equals to 2. This much is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what we have to find out? The distance between these 2 points. The distance between these 2 points. So we know that the distance between 2 points is equals to what? Root. What's the formula? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Yesterday I just told you, whenever we write down b, know that. So what should be the next step? So that. So write down so that distance is equals to root x2. Just see here, what's the value of x2 here? 5. So in place of x2, what we have to write down? 5. What's the sign here?
Minus.
So what to write down? Minus. x1, what's the value of x1? 3. Then whole square. What's the sign here? Plus. Now y2, what's the value of y2 here? 2. Minus
1.
minus y1.
Minus 1.
Okay, and we know that when something is in minus, so it will be inside of bracket minus 1 minus 1. This one is clear?
Yes, sir.
And then
Square.
whole power square. Is there any confusion in this?
No, sir.
The next step, distance is equals to root 5 minus 3, 2 whole square. What's the sign? Plus 2 minus into minus plus. What's the number? 1 whole square. The next step, distance is equals to root 2 into 2 square means 2 2 is 4 plus 2 plus 1 3. Okay, let's solve this step by step. 2 into 2. then distance is equals to root 2 to the 4 plus 3 square means 3 square means 9. So distance is equals to root 13. This is the answer. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
This is the answer. This is how we find out the distance between 2 points. Formula is clear now? Distance formula is equals to what?
Distance is equal to x2
Root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then you will have to find out the value of x1, x2, y1, y2 like this. Then you have to write on b, know that. Then write down the distance formula. And whenever we write on b, know that. So what should be the next step? So that distance is equals to, then substitute the value. Substitute the value means मान रखना. Okay, so just put the value of x1, x2, y1, y2, then solve plus minus multiply and you will get your final answer. Method is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just note down this first and just
Sir,
hmm?
sir, before that we know that we can write put the value. Put the value.
Here?
Yes, sir. Before the we know that. Yes, sir.
Here. No, if you want then you can just write down here. Okay,
Yeah.
like first of all just write on this much, then write down, or if you want then you can write down like this, put the value of, and for this question we don't have to write down this. Okay,
Okay, sir.
just write on just like this. Note down this, then we will solve 2-3 more questions.